Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very healthy and delicious recipe that is mixed fruit salad. So if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know your opinion through the comments. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. So here I take few different colors of fruits. That is here 8 to 10 pieces of strawberry, 1 green apple slices, 1 red apple slices, red grapes, some mint slices. On the other hand, I also take another few fruits, green grapes, just cut in the middle, 1 avocado, 8 to 10 pieces of raspberry, half cucumber, and some nectarine. As a salad dresser, I'm using here salt, pepper, and chili flakes, lemon juice, and honey. Now I'm going to prepare the salad dresser. So here I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 pinches of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of honey. So now I'm going to pouring all the ingredients together. After that, I'm going to add all the fruits ingredients. Now I'm pouring all the fruits ingredients all together, one by one. Then I'm going to add the rest of the fruits. This is a very healthy and delicious recipe, and this recipe is also very good for summer, which contains a lots of minerals and vitamins. And now I'm going to mix all together. So this is the final look of my mixed fruit salad. And please try to make this recipe at home, which is very healthy and which is very fresh. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Until then, bye and take care of yourself.